In this plan, we want to add a stairwell leading up from the hallway into the landing. Select your required stairwell and tap it into position. Once positioned correctly, select Go Upstairs on the stairwell menu. Currently, we can see that the top step is against the office wall. You may be tempted to tap, hold and drag the stairwell away from the wall. But now we can see an outline of the ground floor below the plan. On the final image, we can see that the floors are now misaligned. This is because stairwells are anchored to the floor that they were added to. So on the first floor, when moving the stairwell, we are actually repositioning the floors relative to one another. See how the final image is now affected by repositioning the stairwell. The ability to reposition floors can come in handy with properties that have multiple stairwells. The majority of the time, however, you will find that using the red handles will allow you to position your stairs just as needed.